I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood.
Don't even think about skipping this video, because we've got 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom GLCs waiting for you at the end that will completely redefine what you thought was possible with Mercedes engineering. Hey, modification enthusiasts and Mercedes lovers, welcome back to the Steel and Style Garage channel, your ultimate destination for everything automotive transformation. Today, we're diving deep into the art of Mercedes-Benz GLC modification, exploring everything from subtle enhancements to radical overhauls that push this luxury SUV beyond its German roots.
That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in. We got some work, man.
If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and let me know in the comments which GLC style speaks to your soul. We'll be covering the full spectrum from classic to contemporary models, showing you how this versatile platform can be reimagined in countless ways. What's your dream GLC build? Let's find out together.
Never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this. Life is a nuisance. Tie up some loose ends.
Taking a Mercedes-Benz GLC and giving it the full JDM stance treatment creates one of the most captivating culture fusions in the automotive world. We're talking about dramatically lowered suspension on air ride systems that let you drop the body mere millimeters from the asphalt with the push of a button. Picture a GLC sitting on wide, aggressively offset Volk Racing TE37s or Workmeister wheels with stretched tires and massive negative camber that makes heads turn at every intersection. The clean German lines take on a completely different character when adorned with subtle JDM touches like tinted windows, minimalist lip spoilers, and perhaps a sleek carbon fiber hood. What's your take on negative camber angles? Too extreme, or just right for that perfect stance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious what the Steel and Style family thinks about this controversial style when applied to Mercedes luxury. Transforming the sophisticated GLC into a muscle car variant rebels against its European DNA in the most exhilarating way possible. Imagine the controlled aggression of a wide-body kit stretched over massive rear tires with flared wheel arches, housing 20-plus-inch American racing or Forgiato wheels. The heart of this build lies in its performance modifications, upgraded turbochargers or supercharger kits pushing the already capable engines to 600-plus horsepower territory, coupled with straight-pipe exhausts that replace the refined German purr with an unapologetic American roar. Hood scoops and vents aren't just for show, they're functional necessities for cooling these beasts. The interior gets the muscle treatment too. Racing seats, a roll cage, and performance gauges create a cockpit that means business. Have you ever thought about merging these two distinct automotive philosophies? The precision of German engineering with the raw power philosophy of American muscle creates something truly special that transcends cultural boundaries. Euro tuning takes the GLC back to its roots, emphasizing subtle yet significant enhancements that honor the Mercedes-Benz heritage while pushing performance boundaries. This approach is characterized by elegant Brabus, Carlson, or Lorenzer body, kits that enhance the vehicle's natural lines without overwhelming them. The suspension receives a performance-oriented overhaul with H&R springs or KW coilovers, lowering the ride height just enough to eliminate unnecessary wheel gap while maintaining everyday usability. Under the hood, ECU remapping and intake, exhaust modifications squeeze additional performance from the factory engines without sacrificing reliability. Think 15–20% power increases with improved throttle response. The finishing touches come from motorsport-inspired wheels from BBS, OZ Racing, or Schmidt, typically in classic silver or anthracite finishes. What Euro tuning modifications would you prioritize for your GLC? Would you focus on subtle aesthetics or dive into performance? Upgrades first? I'd love to know your approach to Euro-style builds. The luxury VIP approach takes the already premium GLC and elevates it to truly bespoke territory, creating a statement of individual taste and refinement. Exterior modifications remain tastefully restrained, perhaps a subtle walled international, or Mansory body kit that adds presence without ostentation, complemented by custom paint finishes like satin pearl whites or deep metallic hues that shift colors under different lighting. The real transformation happens inside, where factory seats give way to hand-stitched leather in contrasting patterns, perhaps with Alcantara headliners and genuine wood or carbon fiber trim packages custom-crafted specifically for your vehicle. Technology integrations reach new heights with custom audio systems from Burmester or Bang & Olufsen, along with rear entertainment packages featuring multiple displays. The wheels follow suit. Massive 22 to 24-inch custom-forged monoblock designs, with color-matched accents complete the exterior presence. Have you ever experienced a truly VIP modified vehicle? The way they transform the driving experience goes far beyond aesthetics. It's about creating a personal sanctuary that reflects your unique standards. When unlimited resources meet unbounded creativity, the GLC becomes merely a starting point for automotive artistry that defies categorization. We're talking about radical body transformations, perhaps converting the SUV into a two-door super coupe with butterfly doors, or extending the wheelbase for a shooting brake configuration with handcrafted aluminum bodywork. The power plants in these builds abandon factory options entirely, sometimes featuring engine swaps with AMG GT Black Series, powertrains or even hybrid systems pushing beyond 800 horsepower. Interior spaces become unrecognizable, completely redesigned dashboards with bespoke digital interfaces, seats crafted from exotic materials like ostrich leather or space-age composites, and lighting systems that create ambient experiences tied to vehicle performance modes. The suspension might utilize active hydraulics, allowing the vehicle to change its stance dramatically, while one-off wheel designs in precious metals or carbon fiber complete the visual statement. If money were truly no object, what's the most extreme modification you'd make to your GLC? The wildest ideas often inspire the most interesting conversations. Concept car modifications transform production GLCs into rolling showcases of future design language that wouldn't look out of place at international auto shows. These builds incorporate cutting-edge lighting technology. Think laser matrix, headlights, and OLED tail light patterns that communicate with other road users. Aerodynamic elements borrowed from computational fluid dynamics create functional yet otherworldly shapes, with active panels that adjust according to speed and driving conditions. Interior spaces become technology showcases featuring augmented reality navigation projected onto windshields, gesture control systems replacing traditional buttons, and sustainable materials like mushroom leather and recycled ocean plastics, demonstrating environmental consciousness. Power often comes from experimental drivetrains, perhaps hydrogen fuel cells or advanced solid-state battery systems driving electric motors at each wheel for precise torque vectoring. What fascinates me most about concept car builds is how they often predict features that eventually become standard. Which futuristic features would you most want to see in production vehicles? Your vision might be closer to reality than you think. As we've journeyed through these dramatically different approaches to GLC modification, one thing becomes crystal clear. This platform offers an extraordinarily versatile canvas for personal expression, whether you're drawn to JDM stance, American muscle, European refinement, VIP luxury, extreme customization, or concept car futurism. What makes automotive modification culture so powerful is how it connects us through shared passion while celebrating individual vision. I hope this exploration has sparked ideas for your own projects, whether you're modifying a GLC or applying these concepts to entirely different vehicles. Remember that the Steel and Style Garage community is here to support your journey. Share your builds in progress in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive transformation. Until next time, remember that modification isn't just about changing cars, it's about expressing who you are through mechanical art. This is Steel and Style Garage, where every vehicle has unlimited potential.